our factory is CE approved, and our CE it is not from Italy, it's not from Spain. It is issued by TUV in Germany. TUV Germany. So TUV officer will go to our factory to inspect one time 1 year. And our quality control is not controlled by the quality department only, also be in charged by the biggest boss. Our production standard is ISO 13485, but our factory our own standard is higher than international standard. In this way, we can keep our products in higher quality, and the production capacity now has been 2 million pieces per day. 2 million pieces produce this cassette each day, and all production is made by machine. Our workers is only control the machine.